Money coming, money go. I've been at it on the low. Trapping out a while live. I keep seeing the leaders doing, let's be talking planes and maybe seeing you. Pull up on you, let me scoop.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chris. This is Krissnaildit. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. If you're new, hey boo, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting on? Just go ahead and do it. Just go ahead and do it. Small disclaimer, I did not do this nail set. My client came in with her nails already done, and she just wanted a design, and I have never done the tortoise nail shell design before, so I was like, let me go ahead and record this and do this real quick. Now, as you can see, I am using OPI as my background color because we are going to build up this set today, okay? We're going to build it up into the color and into the tortoise shell-like design that we see that's pretty popping right now. So, as far as blooming gel, I like to use Maya's Secret. So far, the only other blooming gel that I've used other than Maya's Secret is Macart. I like theirs, but I kind of like Maya's a little better. I like how it spreads. To me, it spreads a little better. If you have a recommendations of blooming gels that you could recommend me to use, I am always down to use new products, so I think you should leave me a comment below. But yeah, I like the Maya's Secret. I think that it does what it's supposed to do. It gets the job done, and it gets me in and out of the door. The color that I'm using is Mud Oak by DND. I like using their products. I've been using their products, I think, for about 2 years now. Yeah, about 2 years. And I could pretty much say like that it's a quality nail brand. I pretty much can say that. I enjoy using their products, and it, like I said, it does what it's supposed to do. Boom. Now, I like to layer it again. Like I said, we are building up this nail bed. So we are using the Mud Oak, and I mixed it with a gel top coat to make it have that transparent, translucent like look. I don't know which word I'm trying to use. But as you can see, I'm mixing it up right here. And I'm building up that nail. Now, we're going to cover this again with more blooming gel because we're going to add another spread effect. But this time, we are going to use black as our color to spread. And this is going to bloom into like kind of a blend with the brown and the black. And I love this, okay? Look how pretty that looks. Look at that spread. Just look at it. I know it's going fast, but look at this spread. Just look at it. And I dab in more black because you still want to kind of define it and make sure that you have that tortoise like look that, you know what I'm saying, that we're going for. Yes. And I just, like I said, I like this design. It's really, really cute. I'm honestly trying to figure out how I'm going to do this. Like, I'm going to do something different. I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to incorporate this into a nail set, into a future nail set. But this is really, really cute. And I just love watching it bloom and spread. And like I said, it blends. And it's just really, really cute. And I feel like what helps it is the fact that I layered it with other shades of brown so it can create that, you know, those effects that's needed in the nail, you know, to make it have that tortoise look. Y'all, I'm just over here talking. But I enjoyed this nail set, and I hope you did as well. Oh my God, look at that. And this is one of my favorite fingers. Like, look how that spreads. Like, I'm amazed watching. But I'm gonna go over it again with another shade of brown. And I feel like this gave it its final touch, and it did what it was supposed to do. Like, it gave it a perfect finish, and voila, we are done. Now, if you have any commentary below, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. we're done. It's giving what it's supposed to give. And I'm out. Thank you guys for tuning in. And tune into my next nail tutorial. Bye.